What's up, YouTube? So today my grandmother sent me a picture of this, and when Nana sends me a picture of something, she gets what she wants. She also came by and brought me these. So she never asked me for anything. We're going to make it right now out of this pallet board. That out of this. That out of this. Very simple. We're about to do that right now. So the first thing we're going to want to do is see how long our spoon is. She said that she wants a base sticking off the bottom of this like this, so we're just going to go like this. There goes our pivot point. So to come up with this angle was very simple. I just placed the spoon down like this. I took my T-square, marked where I wanted the board to end. I scribed the board right there. I measured where the middle of the board was, and then I just went at an angle with the T-square on a pivot point, scribed it right there to this part right here. With this angle right here, I went down to the edge like this, where it was at, and then from that mark, I lined this back up to the middle. So that way, we're all squared up, and everything matches. Now somebody mentioned to me about table saw safety, and they're absolutely right. I've had my blade set way too high this entire time. That is what we're working with, fellas. And then we're going to need another couple inches for the roof. About 3 inches. Just so we can make it easy. And 3 inches over from that will be 6 inches. So I scribed 2 3-inch parts right there, and then whatever this was right here, I didn't measure it just that way we can attach it to the bottom so the birds have something to stand to like Nana asked. Alright, we're going to bevel these guys over here, but first we're going to take them to the belt sander. Alright, so this is what we're working with. We'll bevel these guys out. We'll bevel these out so that way they'll sit right. Alright, so busting out the protractor, I'm going to say it's 25 degrees. Which is now set for 25 degrees. I don't know how well this angle gauge is going to work on this though. We're going to see if we can miter this with the table saw. Let's see what's up. Try the other side now. I like it. I actually like it a lot. It'll do just fine. Now, let me get some wood glue. I think she's going to be very happy with this. Yep, I think my grandmother's going to be very, very happy with this. That's what we're working with, guys. Bam, bam, bam. I like it. It'll do me well. We're going to glue this boy up. And that's how it's done. Right there. A beautiful little bird feeder. Very simple, very easy. Get it done in 10 minutes. She brought me 2 spoons, so we're going to make her 2. This one will make more of an angled roof on. I'm going to go 55. Oh no, the most I can go is 45 degrees on this. I can't bevel it more than 45 degrees. Oh shoot, I need 60 degrees. We'll take it like this and I'll take it to the sander and just freehand. Alright, so the most I can bevel on this is 45 degrees. I'm going to take this mug down to the sander. What do you guys think? You guys like it better with the steep roof or with the slightly slanted roof? Leave your comments below and let us know. I think it looks better with the steep roof. I'm selling these for $25 on Etsy. I haven't seen anything like it on Etsy either, so this is going to be a really hot seller for this upcoming season, coming into the spring. Everybody's getting their bird feeders ready. The spoons my grandma was finding for 50 cents to $1 at Goodwill's and Salvation Army. So turn $1 into $25, man, and you can crank these out in 10 minutes. So as fast as you can sell them, they're easy to make. I'm making it out of the scrap wood of my pallets, so it's all free. You guys just see me crank out 2 of them in less than 8 minutes, so you know it's possible. These can be made really fast. They sell pretty fast, and people are loving them. Alright. I think the rat might be gone, guys. I think you might have scared him out of here with the saws and running the table saw all the time, because there's no way he's resisting fried chicken. This is day 1 of the chicken being up there. This is day 3 of the trap being set. I don't think he's in here anymore, honestly. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please follow me for more. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Please like this video. Hit the bell down there at the bottom of the screen so that way you can get notified when I make a new video. And please help me make this wood shop. All tips and opinions and like comments, go into the comment section. I'm really reading this stuff and it helps me out a lot. I'm paying attention and taking your guys' advice. So please help me out. And thank you so much, guys. Safe travels. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.